guys, today we're going to go to the sweeter side and make some cookies. I love cookies, especially homemade, right out of the oven. When you've got that sweet tooth kicking in, there's nothing like cookies. And today I'm going to be making white chocolate macadamia cookies. Just a few ingredients, simple and delicious. I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer. You can use a handheld beater, or you could even use a spoon and mix really well. And everybody loves my cookies. They get demolished fast. So you're going to want to stick a soft butter, and if it's not soft and you really want to make the cookies, then just melt the butter. So the oven is preheated to 375 degrees, and we're going to go ahead and get these whipped up in a flash. So the mixer is ready to go. So I have 1 stick of butter that is softened. Okay, and if you let it sit out for maybe an hour, it gets nice and soft. So we're going to mix our wet ingredients first with the sugar. So to that, we're going to add half a cup of brown sugar packed in nice and tight, and a half a cup of, this is organic cane sugar. I'm using mostly organic ingredients. So stick of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of cane sugar, 1 egg. Let's find a good surface to crack it. Okay. 2 tablespoons of half and half, or you could use milk. Or you could use milk substitutes like almond milk, rice milk, whatever floats your boat. And 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so we're gonna cream these together and then add the rest. So lock it in place. Okay, and now the remaining ingredients, which is going to be 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, and then I have just a regular all-purpose flour, and we're gonna add 1. Out of the way for a second. 1 3/4 cup of flour. Okay, get it locked and mix away. Okay, beautiful. This thing is so fast. Can't believe that I just got a mixer this year. It's just the craziest thing. And I've made hundreds of batches of cookies, hundreds, with 7 kids and nieces, nephews, friends. It's a lot of cookies. So white chocolate chips, 1 bag, which is 11 ounces. And then I have the chopped macadamia nuts, which it says right on here that it's a half a cup. And that's what we're gonna put, is a half a cup. Lock it. All right. Get all that batter off of your blade. Okay. So I have a cookie sheet. It's a cookie sheet or a baking sheet, and I'm going to give it a light spray of some cooking spray. And then you're just going to drop spoonfuls of the batter. Okay. slide it off with your finger. I leave them in a nice mound like that. Everyone that comes over to my house on a regular basis knows that I make cookies when they see my little cookie container. And yeah, they go right for it. Super good. So with this size baking sheet, I'm gonna have to do 2 batches. Okay, so I got 16 on the first batch. I'm gonna pop them into the oven, which is at 375 degrees for 12 minutes, and they should be done. I usually do my cookies at 12 minutes, okay? And we'll be back. Okay, so first batch is done. 12 minutes was perfect, and sometimes, you know, they may stick together a little bit, but just use a little spatula and pull them apart. And I will get them cooled off further on a plate so we can do our second batch. And my mouth is already watering. Oops. Okay, so second batch, another light layer of cooking spray, and repeat the same process. Drop spoonfuls on the cookie sheet. So lots of cookies, very exciting. So I'm gonna pop these in for 12 minutes. In just a second, we would like to go ahead and try these cookies real quick. Audrey, are you coming? Okay. Mmm. Oh, yummy. Mmm, wow. Delicious. You know what's great about cookies? They make good presents. Give the gift of cookies, right? You want to make cookies for Thor?
Not funny.
Funny. All right, well, So thanks for watching. You guys go out and make these cookies. They are so good. And remember that all my recipes are down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, share with your friends, and have yourself a really blessed day.